Hi judges, I'm Brenda Hogsett, licensed esthetician and owner of Skintastic Waxing and Facial Studio in Modesto, California. This is my video 2 submission in the age management category of the Skin Games. For my model, Miss Gay Stevens, who is 85 years young, my goal in this age management case study was to address fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, texture, and loss of collagen and elasticity. I designed a treatment plan using ProCell Therapy's microchanneling at a 0.25 millimeter depth to safely stimulate new collagen and elastin production while keeping the epidermis intact. I alternated between the face tip and the precision tip, allowing me to work directly inside the walls of the wrinkle for a more focused collagen stimulation and visible smoothing. To enhance lift and circulation, I incorporated MyoLift True Microcurrent using conductive magic gloves to re-educate facial muscles and boost ATP production within the cells, helping tone, firmness, and cellular metabolism. Each session concluded with red light therapy to promote healing, increase cell turnover, and reduce inflammation. For home care, Ms. Gay used ProCell Serum 1 and Serum 2 for 1 week following each microchanneling session to deliver added growth factors and support tissue regeneration. She also used her Mater biohacking skincare daily to balance the skin, regulate pigmentation, and strengthen barrier function. Additionally, she used the Skin One Pro 1 to 2 times per week to nano-infuse her serums, increasing absorption and maintaining results between professional treatments. Together, these modalities worked on every layer of the skin, from muscular to cellular, restoring firmness, smoothness, and radiance. I'm Brenda Hogsett, and thank you for watching my Video 2 submission for the Age Management category of the Skin Games.